Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a slow-mo video with your camera on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on your home screen tap on the camera app. In here at the bottom you want to swipe across. So here swipe across until you get to slow-mo. Okay, so once you're in slow-mo mode, you can zoom in all the way in to 9x, or you can zoom out. So once you have the correct zoom, just tap on the record button, and this will allow you to record a slow-mo video on your iPhone 13. And after that, you can tap on the stop button. And while you're in slow-mo, you can also zoom in or zoom out. You can also take a photo by tapping on the shoot button. Okay, so now you can tap on the preview video right here. And you can see the video is gone quite slowly. So if I fast forward, and that's it. So that's how you can record a slow-mo video. Now there is also an edit button that you can tap on edit. And once you're in edit mode, you can change how you want your video to display it in slow-mo. So you can change which part to make it slow and which part to make it goes normal. And then you can also change the exposure, highlights, brightness, shadows, and other things. Next, just tap on done. And here we can replay the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.